Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rafiq Engineering Drawing. In this video we will see sections of hollow cylinder. Okay, let us see the question. What do we have? A hollow cylinder of 50 mm outside diameter having axis 70 mm long and cylinder thickness is 8 mm. Okay, has its axis parallel to VP, means it is resting by its base simply on the HP and inclined at 60 degree to HP. Okay, so what is the position? First let me explain you. We have a cylinder, hollow cylinder like this. Hollow means this is, so here we have the material. Okay, outside diameter they have given 50 mm and this thickness, here to here the thickness of the cylinder, if you see, that is 8 millimeter. Okay, its axis is parallel to VP and inclined 60 degree to HP. So this is the position. Simply say this is your XY line and here axis, first simple position will take, this is the cylinder. Okay, and here is the axis. So what happens, its axis is inclined. Okay, say this angle is something 60 degree approximately I have taken. As this is a hollow cylinder, inside another cylinder is there, so here you will be getting hidden edges and here is the top view. From top if you see, it's a hollow one, hole is there, this is the material. So top view you have to draw for this by projecting. Okay, so before that what they have said, it is cut into two equal halves by horizontal section plane. Okay, section cutting plane should be horizontal, but exactly two equal parts should be there. So what you have to do, take the axis, because axis is a middle or symmetry of the body. So in the axis you take midpoint of the length. Total length here they have given is 70 mm. So 35 from any one side you take, that is the midpoint, and here horizontally you have to cut. And after cutting we will remove this upper part, and here we are interested in this bottom leftover portion of the cylinder. This is the cylinder what we want. So here from this you have to proceed your remaining problem. So here this end projector, I hope projectors are visible. I am drawing little thin projectors like this. You will be, and axis is here, so that also one projector, and here horizontal construction line we will draw. So we will be getting some points over here like this. Understood? So after projecting this base from this point to this axis only we have to project. Why? Because after this point this portion will come into picture. So seeing from here, first point comes here, maybe little here and there, that we will do it fade diagram with the scale. Roughly I am explaining you. One point comes over here. Okay, these are the two main points, end to end. Then from the axis, axis in the is in the middle, take this point also, and here axis is at the center. Okay, then what you have to do, this end point you have to take, these two ends, that goes here and one more here. How many points we have? 1 2 3 4. These are the main basic points which gives the structure something like this, elliptical. 1 2 3 4 points. Here we have hollow cylinder, so 4 points comes from the hollow cylinder also. This is one cylinder, this is hollow cylinder edges. Say here it is intersecting one point, here it is intersecting another point. Axis is common for both. So from this take one more point, here comes. From this hollow take one more point, here it is. And from the axis again it is a common, so this hollow cylinder is there available. This top line you take here one point. This bottom line you take here another point. So for inner cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. For outer cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4 points we have. So structure comes somewhat like this. This one for hollow, this one for outer circle, this is for hollow cylinder. So after axis, wherever this intersects, you have to stop, and from here take the straight line like this. So this rough diagram I am drawing. Later we will do the fair diagram. This is bit complicated and time consuming. So first roughly we have to understand this is the hatching portion where we will do the sectioning. Got it? So now here one thing you can notice, here I have taken for outer cylinder I will tell 1 point, 2 point, and from the axis 1 point left, 1 point right, and from the axis we got top and bottom points. Total 4 points we got. If you want more points, definitely we need more points, minimum 8 points we need. So the extra 4 points will come here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So previous 4 and this 4, total 8 parts. So this cylinder, if you see carefully here, I will draw one more time. These are the 4 basic points that already we have got. 1, 2, this left and right out from here we will get 4 more extra parts we need, that is here. So total 8 parts we have divided this cylinder. Some people will go with the 12 equal parts also. Here 4 parts we have done with the 45-degree dividing, circle dividing in 8 equal parts. So each division is 45-degree. So with that more points will come, your curve will be becoming more smoother. So let us switch to original problem, means fair diagram. So this question is here. This is the answer what you are able to see roughly. Now let us start the fair work. I will keep this question here only for reference. Whenever required we will see this. First we will draw the XY line. Okay, this is X, this is Y. Here we will start the front view, top view, then here we will do the incline diagram, and here comes the final. Let us see. So in the question they have given cylinder dia 50 mm, outside diameter and axis 70 mm long, thickness is 8 mm. So with this we will start first the cylinder construction. 50 mm diameter means radius will be 25 millimeter. So here comes the 25 radius set with this compass, and I'll take one point as the center. Cylinder top view is a circle of 50 mm diameter, right? So here is the 50. Okay, like this we have got. Now we will draw the front view. So for this we will take first perpendicular lines from the XY line. This is one projector, another projector comes like this. Okay, these are the two projectors. Remaining projector I will take it step by step, and followed by this axis also we have to take. Here comes first 3 projectors, later we will continue. So axis is 70 mm long. Here it is 50. Okay, now thickness how much? 8 mm. So we have drawn 50 mm outside diameter, axis 70 mm we also have taken. Okay, so this is 70 and this diameter is 50. Now thickness is how much? 8 mm. Thickness means this thickness, anywhere it is 8 mm, everywhere you see this like a hollow cylinder or pipe. So wall thickness is, this thickness is 8 mm. So here 8 mm you have to reduce from the 25 mm. So let us remove this 8 mm. So it will be how much if you remove 25 and reduce the diameter by 8 mm? So it will be around 17. It is all set to 17 millimeter for internal circle. You may increase the audio. Okay, now so 17 mm I have taken internal radius. So for horizontal cylinder, let us do the hollow cylinder here, inner circle. Okay, these are construction lines I'm taking. Now what, we will divide it into 8 equal parts later on. First we will complete the partial problem. First I will be doing with this outer cylinder, then we will go for inner cylinder, then we'll go for extra points so that our curve should be smooth as I have shown you previously here. So that we'll get 8 points here if you divide it like this. Then taking this projector and this projector, these 2 points projectors upside, that is in the front view. Here comes the hidden edge of the hidden cylinder. Okay, now this axis is inclined at certain angle, that is 60 degree with respect to xy line. So taking imaginary random point over xy line and tilting this one at 60 degree. I'll take it a little away, we have sufficient space for this. Axis length 70 mm. First drawing the construction line. Here base 50 mm. If you have mini drafter, that will definitely save your time. I'll little make it darker one. This 60 degree we have taken here. Now here you have to set for 50 mm 50. 25 this side, 25 that side. Here 50, here 25, here 25, total 50. And here 70 mm you mark. Maybe it goes somewhere here out of the page. No worries. Video might be bit lengthy, but watch it till end. If you miss the points, steps, then you may not understand. Wow, exactly. So this is how you have to manage the space before starting off the problem. You should have an idea how much space it may consume on your drawing sheet. Now measure this gap. You have to measure this or this, both are same. That goes around 7 mm, right? 7 to 8 mm actually. Anyhow, this thickness is 8 mm. Here also it is coming 8 mm. We'll mark this 8 mm here, 8 mm here, here both the sides also. Now you have to draw the second top view. For that, again, projectors you have to take it. So as I said earlier, first I'll draw this outer circle, then inner cylinder or circle, then we'll add more points. Here 4 parts we are taking in this, then this 8 parts also we will transfer here. Axis point I'll take. So if you follow my steps, your problem will be very easy, simplified way. Comfortably you can do it. Any length you can take it. Center point, that is axis to axis here. Okay, now here we got one point, here is the another one, here is the another one. 1 2 3 points we have got. Now we will proceed with the cutting plane. Cutting plane is cutting this axis at the middle, that is 35 mm here, and the cutting plane is horizontal. So for this, how to draw without drafter? Here comes the cutting plane, horizontal cutting plane. Within the diagram, straight line. Outside the diagram, you can continue with the axis line, that is called chain line. Okay, now project this. And stop here. This point is here, say this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Here 1, this is 1 2 3 4 5. Then backside if you go, this is 6, this is 7, here it is 8. That's all. So this point is on the first line. Here also you can do the numbering, that I am not doing, that the problem will become again lengthy. That is sufficient, this many points. So this is on 1, so one line is coming here, this point is on the first line, first line is here, so here is your point, this point, and axis point is here, or you can say 37 generator. This projector you take it down, and here is the center. Axis means center, or you can imagine 1 and 4 also for this. Axis points comes over here. Here I missed the number 4, now I have corrected. These points remain same, no need to change that one. Here I have gone with the order. Now you see axis is on 3 and 7. So here we have taken the projector, 3 is here, 7 is here. So these 2 points comes on these 2 lines. Okay, and this previous point is here. I will say this as A, this as B, this as C, backside B, another point D, for understanding purpose. So this is A, this point is axis point here, 3 to 7 point B. So 3 to 7, 3 side, point B here, actually not here. This is B, this is your D, and C comes here. This is point C. 1 2 3 4 points you have got. So these are the 4 points, 1 2 3 4. Say this is A, B, C and D. After that we will do the remaining portion, and then we will go inside the this circle, means hollow circle also we will do. Here is our outer point, and axis points are here for this visible cylinder. Let us start with this remaining 4 points. Total previously we have gone with the 4 equal parts, now 4 we are adding in that, total 8 equal parts we have done for the circle. Taking these 2 points also, that projector goes somewhere here. It is something like this, just left of this hidden edges. This will be just right of this hidden edges. So this 2 1 2 3 4, so 4 points having 2 projectors that I'll include here, with this having around 2 mm gap, that I'll take it here. Say this is approx 2 mm only. This cutting plane, you don't concentrate on this inside cylinder which is with the dotted line. Outside cylinder, that is 1 2 3 4, sorry 1 2 3 4 5, then backside 6 7 8. That's what I have taken here, 2 8 and 4 6 previously, not on hidden. This actually belongs to this point, this 2 is this, and this new line what you have done, that is the fourth one. The points I have taken in advance. Now we will mark. Here is the intersection of section plane and with this new generator which you have drawn. So if you have basic idea of cylinder to construct with the 8 equal parts, then you will understand this thing. First I have not included 8 equal parts because while drawing section you may get confused with the ABCD, this section problems, section points. So here this projectors you have to take 8 and 6, 2 4, this 2 4 here, here we go. 2 projector is here, 2 projector, you have to take it here, downside. So this is 1, this point is 2. Now you will get the clear idea about this. Third point is where 3 is here from the axis, that we don't draw. 1 2 and 8th point we will draw. 8th point is again here, 2 bracket 8. 8th point is this one, this generator what you have drawn newly, and here is the 8th line this side. So this is your 8, 1 8, and this axis line 3 7 is somewhere here. This will draw all the projectors 1 2 3 I am taking from the base, not on the section plane as of now, because we are drawing cylinder, not the section top view. So up to axis, where is the axis? Here is the axis. So you take it till this point, freehand smooth curve. I'll rotate this for time being. One, two, 8, and this point is 3, and this point is 7th comes here. This is the bottom part of the cylinder. Now we will concentrate on this section, this internal. This is, and after cutting new surface generated, this we have constructed, this we will construct now. Then we will join this line and this line. Then we will go for internal part. Step by step we are going to avoid confusion, and there are so many projector lines will be coming one after the other, so you should not get confused. Circle 8 parts will do. Those parts are here. This side portion we are not taking as of now. Now let us start the section. Section points I have already transferred A, B, C. That is A here, B, C, and D projector is here. For this also we want 8 equal parts, so that our joining from A to D will be little smoother. Like 1 to 7 was long curve, 8 point and 2 point we have added. Like that, A to D one more point we will add, A to B one more point we will add. How to add that? See, this section plane is cutting previously A, B here. Now as per new generator line, this is the point. I'm not talking about this hidden edges. Hidden edges internal cylinder we will do later on. This point you have already taken the projector, and this 8 to 6 same projector you use it for this also. So this is the point, and here 2 4 projector is going on, and from here section you take same projector for this. So A to D one intermediate point, A to B one more intermediate point. You can later name it as A, B, C, D, and further. Now join them. I'll rotate again this. That's all. Here you can join with the scale. Here the curve should be little smoother one, little bending required like this. It's somewhat looking straight line, so curve it properly. By practice it will come. These are the straight lines from point 7 to D, 3 to B. This point. Now this side portion, like A, this point D you have done, D one more point, C we have to do. So this point projector comes from this end. So this you take it downside. This projector 8 6 and 2 4 you take it little extended. Here is the one point, here is the another point. Now joining them, that's all. Here is the outer cylinder. Got it? Now we have to start the inner cylinder. Inner cylinder is this one. So just like outer cylinder, how you have imagined, these are outer two boundaries, and I'll take one more pointer or pencil. See, this is outer cylinder, outer walls, and 8 parts we have done. So for that 8 parts, these two lines this side, not hidden one, this side, and then the axis 2 points. Same thing, now you imagine these two outer lines are these two hidden edges followed by common axis. For outer cylinder we have drawn these two outer lines, cylinder, this axis. Later we have added these two lines. Now just imagine these two outer lines are these two hidden edges followed by this axis. Now two more like this, how you have added here, two more lines you have to add for this inner cylinder. Inner cylinder, treat this as separate cylinder. Inner cylinder top view is here, inner cylinder front view is this with the hidden edges. Now that inner cylinder we will do with this parts. Already you have done 8 parts. This points 1 2 3 4 means previous 4 and this 4 will make total 8 points. So this I am projecting here. Project our thin continuous line. Here goes. Now either you measure the distance between this hidden and this one. Now you forget about outer cylinder, we are dealing with the inner cylinder. It is approximately 9 mm, not 9 mm, let me measure it properly. 5 mm it is, both the side, this is 5, this is also 5. 1 or 2 mm may go here and there. I am not doing with a mini drafter, I am doing with a normal scale. So 5 mm gap you have to take it. That gap I'll draw here. This now terms we have used for outer cylinder, here we will use for inner cylinder. So this is inner cylinder outer walls followed by axis, and here goes 5 mm one division, here 5 mm, from here another division. Here is two more points. Axis is common for both, so inner cylinder points also we have to take it. Inner cylinder point comes somewhere here. This point is little up than this 2 4 line. Here somewhere, and here inner cylinder point little below than this 8 6 point. That projector also we will take it here. Two points we have got, like previously we have got for dB or 7 and 3, like that, these 2 points. dB, and this is outer point we have taken for the cylinder. Now we will take these 2 points, hidden edge and this hidden edge with the section plane. That comes somewhere here. And this hidden edge, that comes somewhere here. Got it? These two already just now you have taken. How many parts you got? 1 2 3 4. Now for joining this to get smoother curve, again utilize this 8 equal parts with the 4 points we have got. Now 8 equal parts, these 2 points already we have. Let us project them also. Here, where are these 2 points? Here, project them, these 2 points. Here we go. Join them, freehand smooth curve. Got it? Now you have to do the hatching part. This we will do from here. approximate equispaced 45-degree lines are the hatching lines. Okay, one more small thing is left out. See this diagram, we have drawn outer circle, inner circle, and this base, this somewhat is looking like this in the 3D if you see. Got it? This inner circle we have to draw now for the base. That we will do it as early as possible. Now video is getting too much lengthy. See this last point is here, fifth point. You just project it. Now I am dealing with the outer cylinder. These two are outer, and this are the construction for the outer one. So this goes somewhere here, 4 6 line you project. So this is one fifth point. 4 and 6, 4 is here, it will match somewhere here, and 6 again here. So inner cylinder, just imagine it is like this and coming behind this and here, and this continues over here. Here to here we are not drawing. Got it? And this side portion already this is cutted, this is removed, and this portion what you are seeing from the top is this hatching one. So I hope you have understood. This is one of the complicated problems of the sections of cylinder, where we are doing actually with the two cylinders. One is outer cylinder, another is inner cylinder. So in the rough work also already I have explained you. So here is a fair work. You can do better than this with proper instruments like mini drafter. If I do much better than this in detail, again the video may become 45 minutes like that, or even 1 hour. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment. Dimensions also you do it here, axis, height, all those things I'm not doing in detail. Okay, thanks for watching everyone.